if a client call you tomorrow, you can defend your product. It's not those one where they will tell you that, oh, your cream is not working, you start begging, oh, I'm having stretch mark, I'm having wet man, oh, I'm sorry, I will change it for you. But you see, in natural skincare formulation, you know your onions. Nobody can come and tell you anything because you're like, ah, wow, stretch mark, are you for real? How come? Because you know the ingredient that is in that product, you know that it cannot cause that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Extreme Beauty Therapy. It's been a while. You are welcome back and happy new year. Welcome to 2026. So it's been a long time here, but we are back for good. So today I'll be talking about transiting from Promixing to natural skincare formulation. Why someone courage to come out here to talk about it? Because I know I was there before, and I know a lot of people like you are also there. So one thing about Premixing is that it's very good because it can actually help you to start fast. Yes, you can. With Premixing, you can launch your brand like with a twinkle of an eye. You can launch your brand. But one thing about Premixing is that it's very limiting. It's limiting in the extent that you cannot scale. It's not scalable. It's not sustainable. And you know, some of these ingredients you use, most of them, you go to the market today, you buy something, then the next time you are like, it's no longer in the market. Or how about you go to buy the fake one? That means it will also affect your own formulation. Promixing is very limiting because it will not make you think outside the box. You'll just be focused on one thing. Years to years, you keep doing just one thing. So doing this, I was like, these people that are making this product, they don't have to wait, right? They are people like me. So why don't I look for a way to actually produce products that can actually be standard, product that you can vouch for? It's not a product that when someone complains or when someone say anything, you don't really know what to do. You don't really know what to say, you know? So I just like, okay, that is what I'm going to do. So, and I went back, I went to do more research. I went to have my trainings, and today I am a formulator. Yes, an award-winning formulator. So this is an award we won in 2025. So it has been amazing. It has been good. So if you know you are in skincare and you know you're actually premixing, so this is the right time for you to scale. This is the right time for you to think of upgrading yourself, because you see, like I said, it can easily help you to start, but it cannot make you to scale. You cannot think outside the box. You know, when you are a formulator, you'll just be feeling like a mini god. You know that kind of feeling where you just, you know, you put down formulas and you're thinking, oh, I want to make something for redness, I want to make something for stretch marks, and you know, you make this thing from scratch all by yourself. Gone are those days when they say natural skincare doesn't work. My dear, I am here to tell you that natural skincare works. It works 100%. Why it was not working in years back is because the training was not actually appropriate. Just imagine someone telling you, put 1 cup of stearic acid, put 1 cup of e-wax, put a drop of coconut oil, put 50 ml of water. It was not structured, and that was why it was failing. That was why those formulas were not flying. But with natural skincare formulation, where you calculate all your ingredients in percentages, when you understand the ingredients that are compatible, where you understand the pH of which this product is going to be, where you understand even the packaging container. You know, in natural skincare formulation, even before producing your products, you already know how your product is going to come out. And another thing is that you can just think of, okay, I want to make 500 pieces of lotion, 250 ml each, 500 pieces. You work your calculation and you will produce it. You will have exact 500 pieces. It will not be lower, it will not be lesser, it will not be higher. You know that feeling where you can just travel and you call your staff and like, okay, kindly make this 100 pieces. This is what to follow, and they will not tell you that is one thing happened, the other thing happened. You know that this thing is complete. This is formulation whereby even if a client call you tomorrow, you can defend your product. It's not those one where they will tell you that, oh, your cream is not working, you start begging, oh, I'm having stretch mark, I'm having wet man, oh, I'm sorry, I will change it for you. But you see, in natural skincare formulation, you know your onions. Nobody can come and tell you anything because you're like, wow, Stretch mark. Are you for real? How come? Because you know the ingredient that is in that product. You know that it cannot cause that. And this is something that even when someone walk up to you tomorrow, you can defend your formula with your full chest. You can tell the person that, see, take me to anywhere. I will be there with you. Because you know what is in your formula. You know what you make. You know how you come about them. So this 2026, we are back, and Extreme Beauty Therapy is rebranding, and we are now White Label Skincare. So in this space, we'll be talking about formulation. We'll be talking about how to grow your skincare, hair care, beauty care brand, generally. Then how to start your skincare brand with White Label products. You see, most people, when they want to start, you can actually start your skincare brand with White Label Skincare. White Label helps you to start fast. It helps you to skip those a lot of things that you're supposed to do, maybe like going to school, getting certification, trying out formulas that you are not sure of. But you see, White Label Skincare, it can make you to start, because one, you are starting with formulas that are already tested and trusted. You are not starting with guesswork. You are starting with proven formulas that is selling. So if you are thinking of starting skincare in this 2026, and you don't really have that time, because let's be honest, formulation is not easy. It's not easy, and it's someone that you need to have the passion for it. If you don't have the passion, it can be frustrating. Yeah, I need to tell you, in as much as I'm telling you how natural skincare formulation is interesting, it's also very stressful. So if you are the one that you don't have that time and you want to go into natural skincare formulation, why not consider White Label Skincare? Just look out for maybe any brand that you trust that can actually produce this product for you. So and that is what we do currently. White Label, that's what we currently do. We offer White Label service. We offer contract manufacturing, formula development. Maybe you are a formulator and you want to develop formula, you don't really know how to write formula. I don't mean just writing formula that mix this to mix. I mean standard formula, like from the skin tone, from the skin type that is even going to use the product, down to choosing your chief active, to choose your raw materials, to formulation, to the steps of formulating, to the pH, to even packaging, and to even the people that will use this product. We can actually develop that for you. So in 2025, we actually work with a lot of brands, it was really massive. And if you are out there that actually trust us with your formulation in 2025, we say thank you. And for this 2026, we are open. So we already have brands that where we work with, both in the US, UK, UAE, Ghana, Kenya, so we can coach you. I can coach you. Even if you want to start your skincare brand today, see, in every business there is secrets, and that is why you see most people like, oh, I've been in skincare business for 20 years. I do tell them, see, 20 years really is not even your time. You are not even supposed to announce it. It's even your achievement that's supposed to even announce. But when you are sitting on a system whereby it's not scalable, you just be counting years. Instead of counting your achievements. So I can also mentor you on how to run your skincare business, how to launch, how to sell out, how to do a whole lot of things. So this 2026, we are not just doing it by vibes at all. We are doing it with the real work. And see, me, I don't want to work with lazy people. If you know you are lazy, don't bother messaging me, because we are going to work together to succeed in this 2026 by the grace of God. So like in our White Label services, we offer stuff like bar soap, like standard industrial bar soap formulation. We offer toners, we offer serums, shower gel, a lot of things. Anything that you think about skin and hair care, this is for you. So welcome to 2026. This is the year that I am telling you to make your skincare business good.